Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove CapCut watermark for free. So as you know, if you edit your videos in CapCut, there will be a watermark attached to your videos, and the only way you can get rid of that watermark is by joining the CapCut Pro. But you need to also know that if you are new on CapCut, you get like a certain amount of free watermark video. So you can, I think 10, you can export up to 10 videos without watermark. So here, what if you are already all users of CapCut and you want to remove that watermark? So what you need to do is just export the video first, and then you can crop it using another free editing apps to make the watermark disappear. Or if you are using templates on CapCut, say I want to use, let's just use this one. Click on a use template. Here I'm going to just find a random photos to add to the template. Let's say you can click on next. So as you guys can see here, whenever you use templates in CapCut, there will also watermark attached at the top right corner of your videos, but you can easily remove it by using this trick. So you can just tap on export first at the top. Here on the export, you can modify the size or the quality of the videos, and here there are two options: export without watermark with this TikTok icon, and just export in here. So if you want to have video CapCut templates videos without watermark, you need to click on this. So what if you don't have a TikTok account or TikTok apps on your phone? You can still click this, but if you don't have TikTok, you can still click this, but then it will lead you to the Play Store or App Store, as they will ask you to install the TikTok app. But if you just click on the back button on your phone, the video will still be saved without watermarks. And here, since I have TikTok apps on my phone, it will lead me to the TikTok apps, and as you guys can see at the top, there is no watermark attached. So you can just go back again. So I'm not going to upload it to TikTok, but then when I try to find it on my album, the video is still safe without the watermark. It's also the same for you if you don't have TikTok app on your phone. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.